So you know, the biggest fear people have of coming to the dentist is the dreaded needle. In fact, it's in the top 3 of fears when they do surveys with the general public. So a while back, a company developed a system or a machine that delivers this anesthetic not only in a virtually painless manner, and when I say virtually, I mean it's almost nothing, but also in a way that you don't end up having the typical numbing of the face or the tongue or the lips. It may sound too good to be true, but it's true. I'm a living example of it. I went through it and I couldn't believe it. The machine deposits the anesthetic below the threshold of pain, at a level below the threshold of pain, where a dentist using a traditional needle syringe, they can't do that. If you have needle phobia, you're scared of going to the dentist, you must go to a dentist that has this. It'll make your experience at the dentist so much more uneventful and able to go through the procedures in a very comfortable manner. So if you're coming to my office and we're going to work on you, or you're planning on coming to my office and you want to get more information, the device is called the STA Wand, and you can research that on your own if you like on the internet, or if you come into my office, I'll be happy to show it, explain it to you, but I promise you it will change your view on getting numb forever.